Hello, welcome back to my channel, Music with Mr. C. Today we're going to learn about types of notes. Again, part 2. Eighth notes, 16th notes, and dotted notes. So let's just get right into it. Eighth note. An eighth note is a musical note that is an eighth of the value of a whole note. Eighth notes, 8 eighth notes are in a whole note. That's where it gets its name, eighth note, because there's 8 of them in a whole note, and it's an eighth of the value of a whole note. 16th notes. A 16th note is a musical note that is half the value of an eighth note. 16th notes are in a whole note. As you can see, those are what 16th notes look like. That is what an eighth note looks like. That is just one flag on the eighth note. A flag is the little swish thing that is on an eighth note or 16th note. If 2 eighth notes are beamed together, which means there's a beam across the top, then they look a little bit more like 16th notes. 16th notes have 2 bars across the top. That's how you know they're 16th notes. So, a 16th note is half the value of an eighth note, but it's also a 16th of the value of a whole note. That's where it gets its name, 16th notes. Dotted notes. A dot on a note adds half the value of the note to the note. As you can see in this example, a dotted whole note is a whole note plus a half note. A dotted half note is a half note plus a quarter note. A dotted quarter note is a quarter note plus an eighth note. And a dotted eighth note is an eighth note plus a 16th note. So you see, a whole note is the whole amount of a bar. That's the whole value of the note. A half note is half the value of the half note is half the value of a whole note, and a quarter note is half the value of a half note. An eighth note is half the value of a quarter note, and an eighth note and a 16th note is half the value of an eighth note. So that's it. That is it. Thank you for watching this video, and tune in for the next video of Music with Mr. C. Thank you. Bye.